Hey YouTube, I have a really quick project. I need a new little receiver hitch pin for my garden tractor. I seem to have lost it in the weeds somewhere. And so I bent this 5/8 rod, and I need to stick a winch pin through it. So the question is, how do I rapidly drill a hole in there and be close to center and not spend a whole bunch of time setting up? Because as you guys probably know, these receiver pins are really cheap if you go buy one. The only reason I'm making one is because I need it now, and the closest auto parts store is about 20 miles away. So it's real easy. The answer is I'm going to use my crotch, and here's my crotch. I thought I'd go ahead and show this just to share the information. This method of drilling on the center line was not known to me for years after I started using a lathe. I saw this tool in the drawer here for the lathe, and I always forgot to ask Grandpa what it was for, and on. I could never figure it out. I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. One day we were talking and said, oh, well, that's for drilling a rod on the center line. And it made perfect sense. So what you do is you put it in the tailstock. Put your drill bit in the headstock chuck, and bring that up. Now normally I would center drill this, but since it's just kind of a really quick project, it doesn't really matter if that's on center. I'm just going to go ahead and use the drill, and hopefully it doesn't wander off the side too bad. And there it is. Just remember, if you need a hole, I'd say a small hole, on your center line of a rod, just center it in your crotch.